In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow update speeds in Epic Games so you can get your downloads moving faster and spend less time waiting around. Whether your update is stuck crawling, pausing, or just not using your full internet speed, this simple troubleshooting method can make a big difference. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming tutorials. Let's get into it. First, check your internet speed. If your connection is already slow, Epic Games is not going to be able to download or update very quickly, no matter what settings you change. Open your browser and run a quick speed test so you can see your download speed and make sure your connection is stable. If the speed looks unusually low, the first thing to try is restarting your router. Unplug it for about 10 to 15 seconds, plug it back in, and wait for the connection to fully come back online. This can clear temporary network issues and often helps restore better speeds. Once your internet is back up, open the Epic Games launcher and go back to the update that was running slowly. Before you do anything else, try pausing the download for a few seconds and then resuming it. This simple step can refresh the connection between Epic Games and the download servers, and sometimes it immediately improves the speed. If that doesn't help, check whether you have a VPN enabled. VPNs can slow down game downloads and updates because they route your traffic through another server before it reaches Epic Games. If you are using one, disable it completely and then try the update again. In many cases, turning off the VPN gives you a much faster and more direct connection. After that, watch the download speed for a minute or two and see if it starts climbing. If the launcher is still slow, keep in mind that peak internet usage in your home can also affect performance. Other devices streaming, gaming, or downloading large files can reduce the bandwidth available to Epic Games, so if possible, pause those activities temporarily and let the update run with a clearer connection. Also, if you are on Wi-Fi, moving closer to your router can help stabilize the signal. A weak wireless connection may not always look disconnected, but it can still make updates much slower than expected. If you want the best possible result, using a wired Ethernet connection is usually more reliable than Wi-Fi. Now, after trying these steps, give Epic Games a second to reconnect and continue the update. Sometimes the launcher just needs a small reset before it starts using your network properly again. Once the speed improves, let the update finish normally. And if it still does not behave the way you want, you can repeat the same process by checking your speed again, restarting the router if needed, pausing and resuming the download, and making sure any VPN is turned off. These are the fastest first steps to try when Epic Games update speeds are slow, and they solve the problem for a lot of users without needing any complicated changes. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy fixes and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.